What's up, tubers? I am very excited today because today I'll be shooting the SIG 226 Legion. Boom. How you like that? You like that, don't you? Me too. So these will be the first shots that I have fired from this gun. I haven't cleaned it. I haven't done anything to it out the box. I did order some 20 round Metgar magazines, which I'll be shooting today. So I'm gonna set up my target at 7 yards and take the first shots. Let's get to it. Okay, here we are at 7 yards. I got the target set up behind me, but I'm not gonna show you where I hit at until after I fire, because I'm using up all my cameras right now just to get these couple shots. So I will let you see the target after I get done putting the first 5 shots down range. I'll be shooting at the top left first, and then we'll make our way from there. So let's take the first shots with the SIG Legion. Okay, that was 5 shots. Let's go down there and see how we did with the first 5 shots. Okay, this is what we did with the first 5 shots. I know I can tighten it up a lot more than that. So let's shoot again. All right, and she locked open on that last round. Now let's go look at this target. All right, much better this time. So that was my first 5 shots. This was my second 5 shots. Here's my finger. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's continue. I want to see if it has an auto forward as I load this magazine. Auto forward is when you insert the magazine hard, the slide goes forward without you hitting the slide release. So let's see if I can make it do that or not. Good. It didn't do that. Some people like that auto forward feature, but I don't really like it. I need the pistol to do the same thing for me every time I load the magazine. Some pistols auto forward sometimes, and then other times they don't. It just depends on how hard you insert the magazine on them. I prefer a pistol not to have the auto forward feature. So let me do it again just in case that was a fluke. Good, it wasn't a fluke. It does not auto forward on you, which is good. Let me put 5 down range as fast as I can. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Here we go. All right. was the last time. Didn't lock open for me on that last round. I was probably riding this very tiny slide release. Don't know how I was doing that, but I managed to do it. I managed to do it. Yeah. All right. Okay, tubers, that's all the shooting I'm gonna do today. I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with this amazing 226 Legion, and it makes me want to go fast. Who wants to go fast? Raise your hand if you want to go fast. I want to go fast, Ricky Bobby. Okay, because I just want to make a video of strictly how fast I can present and fire off that trigger. That's just what I want to do. I want to get good at shooting super fast and accurately. Okay, shooting fast and accurately, because there's no point in shooting fast if you can't shoot accurately. This grip is just, I love the ergonomics of this pistol. They fit my hand like a glove, and I love the G10 grips that they have on here as well. It's very grippy. This is the grippiest pistol I have. The better that grip is, the better you're able to hang on to the pistol while you're shooting, and it does a great job. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, I want to mention this too. I have a website now, so I will put the website link in the description, and make sure to check that out, because I'll be posting there from now on, and I want you to look at it. Go check it out. Okay, now I'm done. Take care. So sometimes it's auto forward, oh fuck's sake. Hey, that new mosquito dope is doing very good. Not one of them has touched me. Bastards. You want to shake a bake? Let's go. Boom. Woo! What's up, tubers? I spoke too soon. They swarmed me as soon as I said mosquito dope is working. Top left hand corner first. And I'll be footed. Fuck, Luke. Speak correctly. I know not everybody knows this, but I took speech for like the first 15 years of my life, so it's a miracle that I can speak English at all. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go.